How to fix Instagram Insights problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and then click on it if you found here updates. And if that doesn't fix your problem and there is an update for Instagram but you can't find it on your App Store or Play Store, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store, go to settings, and if you have an Android phone, go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, iPhone storage, select Instagram and click offload, then restart your phone. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.